All right, so we plug this thing in. So you can go through and like really fine tune it and get it exactly how you want it to sound, depending on like, you know, what you're playing. All right, so let's go to some of the effects here. This is a chorus. And for me, I'm blown away with it. Again, lava music has kind of inspired me to just create more, to play around with it more, and I'm having a blast. Like, it's kind of rekindling my love affair for guitar, even though I've been playing for a long time. Sometimes you just kind of get used to the same old thing, and this came around and really changed things up, and I'm just having a lot more fun with it. But also, this could be a great first guitar for anyone out there that's looking to get into it. It has all these effects on there where you can just have a lot of fun too and make learning even more fun.